Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Gaikwad and today's date is 7 September 2021 and today's our video topic is tree map in a Java. The tree map class is a red black tree place implementation. It provides an efficient means of storing key value pairs in a sorted order. The important point about the tree map class are the Java tree map contains values based on the key. It implements the navigable map interface and extends the abstract map class. The Java tree map contains only unique elements. The Java tree map cannot have null key but can have multiple null values. The Java tree map is non-synchronized. The Java tree map maintains the ascending order. Then the class declaration of the tree map. Public class uh, tree map extends abstract class and implements navigable class, clone and serializable. Then the tree map class parameters k and v. K means it is a type of key maintained by the map and v means the type of map value. Then constructor of a tree map class. The tree map it is used to construct the empty tree map that will be stored using natural order of the its key. Then tree map comparator. It is used to construct the empty tree base map that will be storing using the comparator COMP. Then tree map extends K extends V. It is used to initialize the tree map with the entries from M and which will be stored using the natural order of the key. Then tree map sorted map. It is used to initialize the tree map with the entries from the sorted map SM which will be sorted in the same order as this SM. Then some methods of a tree map class. Map entry and map entry, it returns the key value pair having the least key, greater key or equal to specified key, or null if there is no such a key. Then clone, it returns the shallow copy of the tree map instance. Void clear, it removes all key value pairs from the map. Then comparator, super comparator, it returns the comparator that arrange the key in the order, or null the map uses the natural ordering. Then map dot entry, first entry, it returns the key value pair having the least key. Then the next one is map entry or floor entry. It returns the greatest key less than or equal to the specified key, or null if there is no such a key. Then next one is set key set. It returns the collection of keys exist in the map. Then k hierarchy, k and key, it is used to return the true if this map contains the mapping for the specified key. K lower key, k key, it returns the greatest key strictly less than the given key, or null if there is no such a key. Then next one is navigable set. K navigable set, circle braces, it returns the navigable set view of the keys contains in this map. Then next one is map dot entry kv, pull first entry. It removes the first in it removes the it removes and return the key value mapping associated with the list and the key in the map, or null if the map is entry. Then we see the what is the structure of the tree map and what is a tree map. First, if the root of the tree is null, then we add their key and value. If the number is less than temp.num, then it is stored at the temp.left, or it is stored at the it is stored at the temp.left. uh, if the temp.left is equal to null. If temp.left is not equal to null, and the number is less than temp, so uh, so the temp is equal to temp.next. And the another one is the number is greater than temp.right, then the number is greater than temp.num, then the number is and the temp.right is equal to null, then the number is added at the temp.right. Uh, if the number is greater than the temp and greater than temp, then temp dot right is not equal to null, then the temp is equal to temp dot right, the temp storing the value of root. So and if the um, if the number is equal to temp dot num, then it's only change the value, means temp dot value is equal to value. That is all about the tree map. Thank you.